wants to run around. Just let her run a little bit.
No.
Vic, she wants to run.
No, little buddy. Please, Mia. Please. Almost slow. Fine.
Get in it, Vic. I'll pull you. Get in it.
Sit down. Okay.
Let her sit. Sit down, Mia.
No.
Let me hold it so she'll sit down. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Sit down so you don't fall. Sit down. Okay, here we go. Sit. Sit down. Sit, sit. Sit, Mia. Okay, you just get in it there. Here, I want to pull you down the hill.
Go up all the way up there. Bye, Mia. Bye. I'm going up the hill. I have no one to play with. Please? Please, Mia? Wait. Wait, wait. Come on, Mia. Can you please get in it?
She doesn't want to. Keep your gloves on, Mia. Uh-oh, you're starting to get some.
Yeah,
Why don't we go in, you guys, and get something to eat? Come on.
Yeah. I got my eye on this spot out here.
I know.
Yeah. The little park bench back there. Look, they were already putting bamboo.
Yeah, those people got it already.
No, that's on this side.
It is?
And that don't look like no house over there. It looks like an apartment building.
Oh.
No, I guess it's a house. No.